So this is one day after a 3-level cervical disc replacement surgery, and this is the operation. 3 levels we did, and this was performed as a daycase operation. So you had this operation yesterday. How are you feeling? How did you feel after the operation?
Really good.
Really good?
Yeah.
How does it feel now, today, one day after?
Very good.
How is your posture first?
Excellent.
Can I see you moving your arms up above your head? Any pain coming down in the arm?
No.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Gentle movement now at the neck. That's good. Perfect. And this is a 3-level operation as a daycase procedure. And then down and up. Fantastic. That's really good.
Fantastic.
That's great.